Did you even charge anything?
No, I didn't. I don't know how to take these wings off.
The day's ruined. And hold.
Pro or pro?
Very, very amateur.
Ready?
Your lens is dirty. Oh, is that how you're doing it? Go.
That wasn't bad.
Hungry.
Cool. So we had a horrible morning, but we are going to change that right now. Ready for this? Are you ready?
Did you plug it in right?
So we're going to fly the drone. I hit my car this morning, and I'm hoping that I don't
Crash.
crash the drone. So first, this is how it looks. We attach our phone to it. I wish I had a bigger phone, but I don't. We're just gonna click start flight.
So are you giving a tutorial on how to fly the drone? Makeup tutorials, drone tutorials.
Ready?
Nope.
Well, I don't even know how. It's not working. I'm a professional. You wanna fight?
Oh, let's get this bitch up in the air.
Let's do.
Never mind. Whoa. Careful. You have to fly her higher.
No, not higher.
Yeah, well, you need to clear the tree.
Oh my god, you're gonna break it. This is past beginner mode. We are beginners.
It's because you're going high, that's all. Here.
Looks like I'm not a pro at this. Ah, it's too close to the water. Thank you, Mom.
So, to change the battery, we must
Pinch.
pinch and pull.
I am pinching and pulling. It's not.
Like a man.
Pinch.
I think we're past beginner mode. We're not past beginner mode. Feel like you're getting better at this?
I feel like a little kid who has a new car.
Well, let's hope you don't treat it like you treated your actual car.
Don't bring that up! Gosh, too soon. Do you want to fly it?
Sure.
No.
You tease me.
Okay, let's try to do like an action shot.
Jess.
Ah, too low! No!
Uh-oh. Someone's getting a little close.
I was doing it good in the beginning.
In the beginning. Bring her home.
Let's shut it down.
Such a big bag.
I used to carry this bag in high school. I used to carry all my books in there, and I also used to have drugs. Just kidding. Drug-free.
High school sounds so long ago. Probably time to upgrade. I think things have gotten smaller since then.
I actually like so fast.
Oh, in hindsight of the morning we had.
We're gonna try to have some fun and spice up our day.
And the way we spice up our day is...
Going to the playground.
Wow.
This is the life of a business owner.
Playground moments are very essential towards running your own business. Looks like a ride. Kids play on this.
I'm a kid. I'm afraid of heights. Hello, hello, hello.
Grab it.
Oh no, that was not